The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum is iRobot's most affordable option that features automatic dirt disposal, which empties the Vax dustbin automatically. You just replace the disposable dust bag every month. The i3 Plus EVO picked up all of the coffee grounds, kitty litter, and pet hairs that we've laid out and left behind only about 5% of the flour. In corners, it came within an inch of the wall but left behind about half the flour. It performed better on hardwood floors, picking up all the coffee grounds and pet hair and only left behind 5% of the kitty litter and about 10% of the flour. The robot vac also didn't get stuck during its cleaning sessions as well. Whereas some robot vacuums sense carpeting and boosts suction, the i3 Plus EVO provides consistently strong suction, and when it detects excess dirt, it automatically performs multiple passes. Setup is a breeze too, only taking about 10 minutes, including connecting to the user-friendly app. But unfortunately, the app doesn't allow you to set up no-go zones, so you must buy virtual wall barriers. The other negative with the i3 Plus EVO is that it makes 68 decibels, and you can't adjust the suction power for a quieter clean. Anyways, with its automatic dirt disposal, strong suction, and large main brushes, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum is an excellent, low-maintenance solution for any home.